Hello guys, here you can see this is my Fiverr account and I earned $300 from Fiverr in April month. Today is 3rd April 2021. In just 3 days I make $300 from Fiverr. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can also earn this money from Fiverr easily. I will show you one unique, very high demand, easy to rank, low competition Fiverr service with you. Only 15 people are providing the exact same service which I am going to show you today in this video. So if you make a gig on this category, on this keyword, you will rank at the first page of Fiverr in just one day. Yes guys, you heard right. You will be ranked at the first page of Fiverr in just one day if you provide the exact same service which I am going to show you today in this video. So please I request you, please watch this video till the end. This video can change your life. You can support your friends and family and you can start earning $300 in just 3 days from Fiverr. I will show you everything on a live screen. I will show you one unique keyword and only 15 people are providing the exact same service and they are getting order on Fiverr. So please do watch this video till the end. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Guys, before I start this video, let me refresh the page again so you can trust that I am not making any types of fake video or anything like that. This is 100% real and on a live screen. You can see guys, this is my actual Fiverr account. And guys, before I start this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Here you will find quality content about social media marketing, make money online, freelancing work and everything in between. Guys, also please don't forget to give me a like on this video. Now let me take you to the fiverr.com. Guys, I just come here on Fiverr and here on Fiverr I just search Mobi conversation. You can see guys, I just search this keyword and you can see guys, only 15 people are providing the exact same service here on Fiverr and you can see almost every people are getting order. Just for an example, let me open this service. You can see guys, this person has 18 reviews and $10 is the basic price, standard price is $25, premium price is $100. Without having any skill, by doing some simple copy and paste work, you can do this work and you can start earning $100 to $25 over and over again from Fiverr. You can see guys, only 15 people are providing the exact same service. So if you make your gig with this title, with this keyword, you will be ranked at the first page of Fiverr. I will show you which title you will have to use. So please try to watch this video till the end and do not forget to give me a like on this video. You can see guys, you can see this person has 18 reviews and if I just open calculator, if I just multiply this review with $25 standard price, then let's see how much money this person has already make. I just open calculator, I just multiply 18 reviews multiply by $25 standard price. It's almost $500. You can also earn this easy money and it's very easy guys. You will at the first page of Fiverr once you make your gig with this keyword. I will show you completely on a live screen and I will also show you how you can deliver these types of order and start earning money. So please try to watch this video till the end. Guys, once you get your order on this category, your client will provide you a file, a text file into Mobi format and you just have to convert this Mobi format to PDF or ebook or text file and you can do this work easily. You just have to come here on Google and here on Google you just have to search free file conversion. You just have to search this keyword and you just have to open this website onlineconvert.com. By using this website you can convert any document to PDF or text file, or you just have to search Mobi file to PDF file. You can see guys, and there are so many free tools are available. You can see Mobi to PDF. Convert your Mobi to PDF for free online. You can see you just have to open this website and you can see your client will provide you Mobi file here and you just have to upload the file which will be provided by your client. You just have to upload the file and here you will just have to select this format to any format. You can see there are hundreds of options are available. You can convert Mobi file to any file. You can convert this file into document file. You can see it's 100% free. You can convert Mobi file to any file and you can provide this exact same service here on Fiverr. You can see it's very easy guys. Your client will provide you all the information. You just have to upload the file You just have to convert the document from here, and you can just click here on convert now button, and this website will automatically convert your client file, Mobi file to any file you select here. So it's very easy work guys. You can provide this exact same service here on Fiverr. Let me show you which title you will have to use so you can get order very fast. Let me just copy this this title here. I just open notepad file, and let me just select any file, let me just select more and more options from this. You can see you can convert your file into document file, HTML file as well. So you can add all this keyword here. I will do ebook conversion or Mobi conversion to doc file, doc, PDF, HTML, and let me select another one which is docx, docs file, docx. Guys, I think this is the Microsoft Word file, docx file. In 2 hours you can provide this exact same service. Everybody do not have to use this same title. You can change this title to, you can see I will do let me just remove this keyword. I will do Mobi conversion to doc, PDF, HTML, docs file in 2 hours, or you can add 12 hours. It's just 2 minutes work guys. You can also provide this exact same service here on Fiverr. You can see if I just change the title to another one, I will do Mobi conversion to doc, PDF, HTML, docs file, docs, and let me add another option as well. I can add any option from here. You can see there are so many options are available. MP3 as well, MP3 file in very fast. You can write like this. So there are so many titles you can make. Do not use everybody's same title. And if you don't have any idea which option, which title you can select on this category, then please contact me on Facebook. You will find my Facebook link in the description. I will make you another awesome title. So guys, please don't forget to give me a like on this video. I set up this channel just for helping you guys. Every day I invest 2 to 3 hours to find awesome keyword, so you can also rank your gig at the first page of Fiverr in just one day and start making money from Fiverr. So guys, please I would highly appreciate your like and comment guys. It will motivate me a lot. And guys, please do share this video with your every friends and family member. Believe me guys, I do really hard work to find these types of good keyword for you. So please, I would highly appreciate your like and comment guys. And also please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. And also please don't forget to watch my other videos as well. In my all videos I show you completely on a live screen how you can earn money from Fiverr, and it's very easy guys. Please do share this video with all your friends and family member, all your Facebook group, WhatsApp group. Please like this video, comment on this video. I would highly appreciate your like and good comment. If you don't like this video, then please do unsubscribe my channel and go from here. But please do not say anything bad in the comment. It's really hurt. Thank you so much for your time guys. I hope you will like this video. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Please don't just watch this video. Go on Fiverr and start providing the exact same service which I show you today in this video, and I can give you guarantee you will get order within a week. So thank you so much for your time. Love you guys. Stay safe. Have a nice day.